announcement here. It says the Binance has now added SHIBs like Euro trading pair, Binance P2P. So the Binance P2P has enabled SHIB trading against Euro, so users can directly buy and sell SHIB with 300 plus payment methods on the Binance P2P. So guys, that's a good one. It says photo readings. You want to check out how to buy cryptocurrencies on Binance P2P, how to sell cryptocurrencies on Binance P2P, how to post trade advertisements on Binance P2P. So if you have any questions or these, you want to let us know in the comment section. We'll try as much as possible to attend to you. Don't forget to click on the like, share, subscribe button. For disclaimer, it says that your use of Binance P2P services and other information and other content, including that of third parties, included in or accessible from the Binance P2P services, is at your sole risk. So our only responsibility is to handle crypto transactions. All payments are final upon completion unless otherwise required by law. So Binance P2P, however, is a platform that has neither the right nor the obligation to resolve any dispute arising from a completed payment. So neither Binance P2P platform nor merchant shall be responsible for your loss in a completed payment. So guys, I was trying to tell you that there are some safety measures you want to always put in place. You need to always do your own due research so you can avoid being having issues, because Binance usually tells its users that you should not confirm that you have received a trade, or you should not close a trade that you have not benefited from, or you've not gotten your payments from. So those are some of the things you want to always put into consideration. So you want to understand that aspect of how to utilize Binance in general. So basically, that's some of the criteria in understanding the perks in Binance. So guys, on P2P, I'll be dropping a link in the description box so you can get access to this. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'll try as much as possible to attend to you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you in our future uploads. Peace out, guys.